Oh my god, please don't crash. Please don't crash. No! No! Don't you dare, buddy. Don't you dare, buddy. No, no, bro. No, bro. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, bro? You got the title. About to shot it. About to do it. About to tune it. OG is literally the most. I literally couldn't find anything about this bro, though. I didn't even know how he looked. I was just bumping the music, bro. The music was tough. How is this nigga not popping, bro? His sound is crazy, bro. Like, it genuinely doesn't make sense how this nigga's not popping, bro. His shit is crazy. So yeah, we're about to shout it. About to do it. I ain't seen no tutorials on this, bro. Dude, I ain't even seen an interview, bro. This bro doesn't even do interviews, bro. But like he's popping, bro. He's really that guy, bro. Like he's really that guy. Most def top 5 underground. Most definite, bro. If you don't have OG there, I don't reflect. Reflect on yourself, bro, as a person. Reflect on yourself. Alright, boys. Let's get it. Yeah. Let's get harmless. Harmless is actually slapped on insanely, bro. Go get some keys. There we go. Give me like a Paddington, like a droney pad. Heaven. Haven. Heaven or Haven? Yeah. Relative. Oof. Oof. Be like that, bro, sometimes. It just be like that sometimes. I see it. I see it. Do you hear it? Do you hear it, bro? Like, do you hear what's next? Like, I don't know what happens, but like after you make beats for like a certain amount of time, it's like you hear what's about like you hear something, bro. You hear it. Like there's literally it's not here, but I can hear it, bro. It's like dun 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 dun. Like some I hear that. I don't know what's that called, bro, but that's pretty cool, bro. Like even if you like can't hear it initially, like when you're starting out, just try to like forcefully hear it. 'Cause now I can hear it genuinely. Yeah, there it is. That's what I heard. That's exactly what I heard. This is why this is the most important thing, bro. When you're cooking up, dog. If you don't have a MIDI keyboard or you don't know theory, this right here is really important, bro. Because every single note you play on your keyboard is going to be in key regardless. If you don't gotta know theory and you don't gotta keep stressing yourself, bro. This is like, yeah. It took me a second, I won't lie. Like, cause this shit is always layered, bro. You always have like layers in it. Why is my voice? So I just added like a young bell. It sounds like a bell. I don't know what it is. It's a digiphone. It sounds Can I add like a second note here? Okay. Actually, okay, should I flip the melody? Let me flip the melody. Let's flip the melody first before we do the 808s. Flip the melody first. Okay, I'm not even gonna put effects. Damn, that's crazy. I just put like a send. I'll make like one send of reverb and delay, and then just route everything there. It's gonna save a lot of time, bro. Always mess around with your yo. That's my voice cracking, bro. slicer. Chef Beauty. Put this on. Damn, I don't even know what niggas are watching my shit, bro. I'm just like I could be doing seriously advanced stuff and niggas wouldn't even know. Okay, this is not advanced stuff. This is so simple, bro. Always decrease the BPM to get more slice because you can't slice it like this, bro. We do not have enough characters. So half of 122 is 61. Half of 61 is 30.5. We can't go 0.5, so we just 530. And we shot beats. Still a lot of slices. But okay, let's just see if it's sliceable, bro. See if it's sliceable. If you slice it, nah. Oh, wait, no. Shit, I'm getting lost. OG. There we go. Alright, let's do it. There it is. Yep, there it is. There it is. Whenever you want to add more, bro. Because doing this nonsense every single time is bad, bro. Doing that nonsense is bad, bro. So just clone it, bro. Just shout it one time, then just clone your stuff. Then you're gonna be the drums are like super light, bro. You can use almost any hat because they're like super short. So you can just do this to them. Because you can use generally almost any hat, bro. And also like a young groove to it, bro. It's like, you know, hey young, hey young, hey young. That's it. Obviously, master. Put a young. You put a young. You put a. It's gotta be relatively hard. Pause. Yeah, something like that. Increase this by 3.2. Yep. And then you're done, bro. Wait. What the hell's happening here? Why are there doubles here, bro? Come back. Oh my god, please don't crash. Please don't crash. No! No! Don't you dare, buddy. Don't you dare, buddy. No, bro. No, bro. Like, bro, how do you crash on stock plugins? How do you, bro? It makes no sense, bro. But yeah, let's just. In the meantime, let's just watch this video, bro. I wanted to show you guys this actually. Yeah, I saw this video, bro. Bro, like, bro. Bro, do you hear the crowd, bro? Nah, that's crazy, bro. Like the nerves, bro. I would have.
Hey, units, pay attention to crowd, please.
Yo, even she's surprised, bro. The noise, dog. Yo. Nah, bro, this is crazy, bro. Bro. Bro, the crowd, bro. The crowd, bro. Ah, bro, I'm telling you, bro. Nah, dog. We gotta be doing that, dog. Nah, that's us, bro. That's me. That's me, dog. Like, genuine chat, bro. I'm gonna be filling up the stadiums, bro. Give me some, like, bro, on me, dog. Like, that's how much confidence I have in this, bro. Because I know I'm the greatest artist, bro, to ever bless this earth, bro. Because, like, the ideas and, like, melodics, beats, whatever, stories, albums that I have in my mind, bro, they're insane, dog. Insane, bro. Like, I have this other album, dog, in my head that can literally win the Pulitzer Prize, bro. Like, I'll be like the second rapper if I produce this album, like, lay everything down, the lyrics and line, everything's not. I could literally be the next rapper, like the second rapper to win a Pulitzer Prize, bro. Twice even, cause, dog, these two albums, dog. One about me, and the other one about like South Africa in general, bro. Oh, I swear, dog. That's like a little motivation for y'all, dog. Like if you're pushing, keep pushing, dog. Keep pushing, dog. You know what I mean? I know school is killing me. I won't lie, school is fucking killing me right now, dog. It's tough. But keep pushing, bro. Like that's me, dog. I promise you. These niggas gonna know my name, dog. They gonna know me, bruh. They gonna know me, bruh. Ain't no way, bro. Nah, I refuse, dog. I'm just that guy, bro. I'm just that guy, dog. Nah, bro. Let's go back to FL, bro. Shit's tweaking out. Still tweaking, bro. I bet. That's about it, bro. And OG is just like he's a one of a kind brew, dog. He's a one of a kind brew. The vocals match the beat perfectly, bro. I swear he produces his own stuff. I don't even know the dude, dog. I don't even know he's never even done an interview. What type? What? He's that brew, dog. And he does some boom bap stuff, sometimes. One of his first tracks was like an R&B track. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I want to show you this hat before I leave. It's the OG hat. You gotta have an open hat if you're making an OG beat. No lie. That's about it. Stay easy. And yeah, I'm gonna make it, bro. I'm gonna fucking make it, bro.